My coworker's car died at 97,000 miles, complete engine failure. The mechanic said it would cost $6,000 to rebuild. When I asked what happened, she said, "I don't know. I just drove it. I didn't think I needed to do anything." She never checked her oil, not once in the 3 years she owned the car. Her engine ran out of oil, seized up, and destroyed itself. A problem that would have cost $0 to prevent. Just checking the oil once a month ended up totaling her car. I'm going to show you the 10-minute monthly routine that keeps your car alive past 100,000 miles. These aren't complicated. You don't need tools. You don't need to be a mechanic. You just need 10 minutes once a month. This is True Cost Auto. Let's talk about the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. 10 minutes of your time. Here's the thing about cars. They don't break suddenly, they give you warnings. A weird sound, a small leak, a dashboard light, a smell. Something feels different. But most people ignore these warnings because they don't know what they're looking for, or because the car still runs fine. Then one day, the car doesn't run fine anymore, and what could have been a $20 fix is now a $2,000 crisis. Think of it like this. You know when your dog is acting weird before they're actually sick, right? They're a little less energetic. They're not eating as much. They're moving differently. If you ignore those signs, you end up at the emergency vet. But if you catch them early, it's a simple fix. Your car is the same way. It tells you when something is wrong. You just have to pay attention. Here's exactly what to check once a month. Set a reminder on your phone for the first Saturday of every month. 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Check 1. Oil level. 2 minutes. This is the most important thing you can check. Low oil kills more engines than anything else. Park on level ground. Turn off your engine and wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Pop your hood. Find your dipstick. It usually has a yellow or orange handle and says engine oil on it. Pull the dipstick out. Wipe it clean with a paper towel or rag. Push it all the way back in. Pull it out again. Look at the oil level. There are 2 marks on the dipstick, min and max, or 2 holes, or a textured area. Your oil should be between these marks. If it's below the min mark, you need to add oil. If it's at or above the max mark, you're good. Not just the level, also the color. Oil should be amber or light brown. If it's black and thick like tar, it needs to be changed soon. If it looks like a milkshake or has white foam, you have a serious problem. Stop driving and call a mechanic. Oil lubricates your engine. Without enough oil, metal grinds on metal, creates heat, and destroys your engine. An engine replacement costs $4,000 to $8,000. Checking your oil takes 2 minutes. Adding a quart costs $5. Missing this check can cost you your entire car. Check 2. Tire pressure, 3 minutes. Underinflated tires are dangerous, wear out faster, and kill your gas mileage. You need a tire pressure gauge. They cost $5 at any gas station or auto parts store. Keep one in your glove box. Find the correct pressure for your tires. It's on a sticker inside your driver's door frame, not on the tire sidewall. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Press the gauge onto the valve stem. It'll give you a reading. Compare that to the correct pressure. If it's low, add air at any gas station. Most have free air pumps. Do all 4 tires plus your spare. Tight. Underinflated tires by just 5 PS, I can reduce your gas mileage by 2% and wear out 30% faster. A set of tires costs $600 to $1,000. Checking pressure once a month makes them last significantly longer. Plus, properly inflated tires handle better and are safer in emergencies. It's like making sure your dog's water bowl is full. Small regular task prevents big problems. Check 3. Lights, 2 minutes. You need to know if any of your lights are out before you get pulled over or cause an accident. At night, turn on your headlights and walk around your car. Both headlights on, both taillights on. Turn on your left turn signal. Walk around. Are both front and rear signals flashing? Do the same for your right turn signal. Have someone press the brake pedal while you stand behind the car. Are both brake lights working? Put the car in reverse. Are your reverse lights working? A burnt-out brake light or turn signal gets you pulled over. That's a $50 to $200 ticket in most places. More importantly, if other drivers can't see your brake lights or turn signals, they can't react to you. That's dangerous. Replacing a bulb yourself costs $5 to $20 and takes 10 minutes. Having a mechanic do it costs $50 to $100. Getting a ticket costs even more. Check 4. Fluids. 2 minutes. While your hood is open for the oil check, glance at your other fluids. What to look at. Coolant reservoir. Should be between MN and max lines. If it's low, top it off with coolant. Don't open this when the engine is hot. Brake fluid reservoir should be between MN and max. If it's low, that might indicate a brake problem. Get it checked. Windshield washer fluid. Fill it up. You use this more than you think. Power steering fluid, if your car has it, many newer cars don't, should be at the correct level mark. You're not doing anything complicated. You're just looking to see if levels are where they should be. If any fluid is way below where it should be, something might be leaking. That needs professional attention. Check 5. Visual inspection. 1 minute. This is the easiest check and catches the most problem. What to do? Walk around your car slowly. Look at the ground under where it was parked. Any puddles? Any wet spots? Look at your tires. Do they look okay? Any visible damage? Any nails or screws sticking out? Crouch down and glance under the car. See any dangling parts? Any obvious leaks? What you're looking for. Oil leaks look like brown or black puddles. Coolant leaks are bright green, orange, or pink. Transmission fluid is red. Water is normal. That's your AC condensation. If you see a puddle that isn't water, take a picture and show it to a mechanic. Catching a leak early saves hundreds of dollars compared to running a component dry and destroying it. It's like checking your houseplants for bugs or your pet's fur for ticks. A quick visual scan catches problems early when they're cheap to fix. The bonus check. Listen to your car. Once a week, not even once a month, just once a week, turn off your radio and actually listen to your car while you drive. Does it sound different than it did last month? Any new squeaks? Any rattles? Any grinding sounds? Your car talks to you. It tells you when something is wearing out, or coming loose, or starting to fail. A squealing sound when you brake means your brake pads have a wear indicator. They need replacing soon. Catch this early, you replace pads for $150. Ignore it. You destroy your rotors and pay $500. A clicking sound when you turn means your CV joints are wearing out. Catch it early, it's $200 per side. Ignore it until it breaks. You're looking at towing plus repair plus possible damage to other components. Pay attention to your car. When something sounds different, figure out what it is. What this prevents. Let me show you the actual costs of not doing these checks. Story 1. Oil. My coworker never checked her oil. Engine seized at 97,000 miles. Cost to fix. $6,000 engine rebuild cost if she checked monthly. $0. Difference, $6,000. Story 2. Tires. My neighbor drove on underinflated tires for years. One blew out on the highway. She hit the guardrail. Towing, $200. Bodywork, $3,500 new tire. $200 cost if she checked pressure monthly. $0. Difference, $3,900. Story 3. Lights. My friend drove with a brake light out for 2 months without noticing. Got rear-ended because the car behind didn't see him braking. Deductible, $500. Increased insurance, $400 per year for 3 years. Cost of new bulb if he checked, $8. Difference, $1,692. These aren't hypotheticals. These are real people, real costs. The calendar system. Here's how to make this a habit so you actually do it. Set up recurring reminders on your phone. First Saturday of every month. Car monthly check, 10 minutes, every Sunday. Listen to car this week. That's it. 2 reminders. One takes 10 minutes once a month, the other takes 0 extra time. You're driving anyway, just turn off the radio. Make it part of your routine. Pick a day when you're already home and not rushed. Saturday morning after coffee works for most people. Put your tire pressure gauge, paper towels, and a quart of oil in a specific spot in your garage or trunk so you're not hunting for them. It's like feeding your pets or watering your plants. It just becomes part of your routine. You don't think about it, you just do it. What you get in return, 10 minutes a month, that's 2 hours per year. Your car lasts past 100,000 miles. Instead of dying at 90,000, you catch small problems before they become expensive emergencies. You save hundreds or thousands in preventable repairs. You don't get stranded on the side of the road. Your car is safer for you and your passengers. You feel confident and in control instead of at the mercy of mechanics. 2 hours per year for all of that. You spend more time than that scrolling social media in a single day. Look, I get it. Car maintenance feels like a chore. It's not fun, it's not exciting. But neither is getting stranded. Neither is paying $6,000 for an engine replacement that could have been prevented. Neither is dealing with a breakdown when you're already stressed and late for something important. 10 minutes once a month isn't just maintenance. It's peace of mind. It's financial protection. It's taking control of something most people feel helpless about. Your car is probably your second biggest expense after housing. It's worth 10 minutes a month to protect that investment. In the description below, I've linked to a printable monthly checklist you can hang in your garage. I've also linked to the basic supplies you need: a tire pressure gauge and a quart of oil for your specific car. If this convinced you to start checking your car monthly, hit that subscribe button. This is True Cost Auto, where we show you how to keep your car running longer for less money. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Your car will thank you, your wallet will thank you. See you in the next one.